Quality products require less maintenance and break down less often. This saves repair costs and reduces the hassle of dealing with constant issues. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. A good direct drive should last many years. Even if more advanced options appear to jump in quality, often isn't worth it because what you have still serves perfectly fine. The wealthy buy once and forget about it. The middle class buys cheap replaces constantly and never stops thinking about it. Better products offer superior performance, greater comfort, better functionality, more features, and greater compatibility. But here's what people miss. When you buy cheap equipment, your entire perception gets warped. A wobbly wool stand makes you think the whole hobby sucks. Cheap headphones make you think music doesn't matter. Low-quality tools make you think you're bad at the task. The equipment sabotages the experience. So where should you apply buy once, cry once? Mattresses, absolutely. You spend 8 hours a day on it. Shoes, yes. Your feet carry your body weight all day. Kitchen tools for sure. A good knife lasts 40 years. Cheap knives need replacing every few years and make cooking frustrating. Professional services, lawyers, accountants, doctors. Cheap advice costs way more when it's wrong. Technology, infrastructure, routers, computers, phones. Downtime and frustration from bad tech wastes hours every week. Here's what money solves with this philosophy. Hidden costs of cheap. Repairs. Replacements. Stress. Time waste. Frustration. Every time something breaks, you lose time dealing with it. You lose mental energy being annoyed. You lose money replacing it. The wealthy calculate total cost of ownership, not just purchase price. A $1,200 item that lasts 15 years costs less than a $300 item replaced 5 times. But investigate before you buy. Money doesn't grow on trees. Just because something costs more doesn't mean it's better. Read reviews. Ask experts. Understand what you're getting for the premium. Sometimes the expensive option is just marketing. Other times it's genuinely superior craftsmanship that will serve you for decades. The key is knowing the difference. This isn't about buying luxury brands with logos. It's about identifying products where quality dramatically impacts your life and investing accordingly. A Hermes bag doesn't make your life better. A quality mattress does. A Rolex doesn't add value. Professional-grade kitchen knives do. The wealthy are ruthlessly practical about this. They overpay for things that matter and refuse to spend on things that don't. Here's the paradox. The people who can afford to replace things constantly don't. They buy once and use it forever. The people who can't afford to keep replacing things do, because they buy cheap initially. Frugality isn't buying the cheapest option. It's buying the option with the best total cost of ownership over its lifetime. Sometimes that means spending 5 times more upfront. If this video changed how you think about quality versus price, subscribe to this channel. We're breaking down exactly how wealthy people make purchasing decisions. Comment and tell me what's one thing you're going to buy once and cry once on. Let's invest in quality together. See you in the next one.